Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef tacos. First, let's prepare our flavorful ground beef. You'll want to brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked through. Remember to drain any excess grease to keep your tacos light and tasty. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/2 cup of water, simmering until the liquid reduces. Next, let's get our tortillas ready and gather our fresh toppings. You can warm about 12 corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side, or briefly in the microwave until they are soft and pliable. While they warm, prepare your favorite toppings. Think about crisp shredded lettuce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a generous 4 ounces of freshly grated cheddar cheese. Don't forget some vibrant, chopped cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. Now for the fun part. Assembling your perfect tacos. Take each warm tortilla and spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious seasoned beef into the center. Next, add a generous layer of crisp shredded lettuce and juicy diced tomatoes. Finish it off with a sprinkle of freshly grated cheese, a dollop of cool sour cream, and a vibrant sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Feel free to customize with your favorite salsa or hot sauce. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your incredible homemade beef tacos. Arrange all your beautifully assembled tacos on a platter, making them easy for everyone to grab. You might also want to offer extra toppings on the side, allowing your family and friends to customize their tacos exactly how they like them. These flavorful beef tacos are perfect for a casual weeknight dinner or a fun gathering. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.